Hey, so if you're using Opera One browser and your tabs are always messy or hard to manage, Opera Workspaces can seriously fix that. It lets you separate your browsing into clean, organized sections so you can work like a pro. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Opera One Workspaces step by step in 2026. First, look at the sidebar and open the Workspaces section. Now click Add Workspace and create separate spaces for different tasks like work, study, or personal browsing. Rename each workspace so it's easy to recognize what you're using it for. You can switch between workspaces instantly without closing your tabs. Move related tabs into the same workspace to keep everything organized and distraction-free. For example, keep work tabs in one workspace and entertainment in another to stay focused. Opera One also groups similar tabs automatically, making workspace organization even cleaner. You can close unused workspaces anytime or reset them if things get messy. And yeah, that's it. Using workspaces like this will make Opera One way more organized and productive.